Welcome back, guys. What we're going to be learning now is about HTML tags and what a tag is. So basically in HTML, you're going to write text in text, but for anything that's not text, you need to use a tag for it. And there's a lot of these. We're going to be covering, I think, all of them. There's probably going to be a few older ones that I'm going to leave out, and that's just because you most likely will never have to use those. And I'll try and mention them as we get to them. The first thing we need to do is erase the text here. When you build an HTML file, tags are contained within pointy brackets like that. So you open it, you type the name of the tag here, and then you close it. Now, we're not going to be writing tag because there is no tag named tag. What we're going to be doing is when we open up an HTML document, you need, oh my God. All right. When you start writing an HTML document, you need to open an HTML tag, so just HTML, that wraps around the entire page. So anything you write in this page is going to go between these two tags. Now, it's also good practice to indent whenever you open a new tag. So there's two top-level tags that we need to use to build a page. And I guess we don't need to, but we're going to. The first one is head. And that's going to close right there. And then body. I'm going to need to configure code completion on this because I don't like how this is working. Now, in the head tag, everything that's in here will not be shown on the web page, but it just tells the browser a little bit more about the page itself. So as you can see up there, that's by default going to show the title of the document or the name of the document or file, which is index.html. But I can go ahead and put a tag in here in the head called title. And then I'm going to just write whatever text I want to appear on the window title bar or the tab, depending on what browser you're using. So I'm going to go ahead and save this, and we're going to refresh this. And now, as you can see, the title says my title, and it is not printed out in the page. So in the head tag, or in the header of the website, there's a lot of tags that we're going to throw in here that's going to provide information about the web page, and it's going to include resource files. When we get to CSS, you guys will see this. But basically, just remember that the head tag, anything that goes in there is not printed on screen. As opposed to the body tag, every bit of content that you put into a website that's not supposed to go in the header should be within a body tag. And so if I write hello world here and save it, you're going to see that appear on the screen. And so this is the basic structure of a web page. And we're going to get into very basic HTML elements in the next video, in the next few videos actually, and we're going to be learning how to use them properly. And all that is going to be within the body element here. So an element, I'm not sure if I mentioned this, but an element is the opening tag, all of the content within it, and then the closing tag itself. So this is one element. This is one element. This is one element, and then also this is. So that's a little bit about the basics of HTML structure. What we're going to be doing in the next video is, again, getting into some basic tags.